Hello everyone, welcome back to Calva Louise with Edge of the Abyss. Still, Barely a Response is the next song. This one doesn't have a music video, but I'm still looking forward to, I don't know, some of their style. I'm just really down for the sound of it. So it has such an aggression when it goes in those parts, but it also has the other side. The other side of the music, and also in the story, there's the other side. Anyway, let's go. Barely a response. Love those harmonics. Okay, that sounds quite effect heavy on the vocals. So quite a progressive, guitar riff, lead line, whatever that is. This feels a bit different production-wise. This here, the vocals sound really watery in a way, but it sounds interesting. Also really like this progressive line there. Cool transition part there. So really like that piano mixed in. I think it's a piano, it might also be just a synth. Kind of sounds like it. So you have these glitchy effects on the vocals. What is that sound even? That high sound? Nice. I think there is a piano. Plays some pretty high arpeggios. Okay. I mean, this song actually didn't have a lot of these aggressive vocals that I really enjoy about them. But still, this song, I found it to be more interesting than the last two. Even though, like I said, the production, the sound overall felt a bit different. Maybe that's due to because this not having a music video and therefore being, I don't know, a different audio for this track. I don't know, you can let me know about that. But still, you know, the song itself, I really liked a lot of sections about it. For, you know, especially that bridge section with this. I don't know, even know what that sound is. It kind of reminded me of that, you know, Knocked Loose style where they go really low and then throw in these high, or maybe it's more of a deathcore style in general. These high, yeah, usually in deathcore it's high pinch harmonics or harmonics, or like a pitch shifted even sometimes. But here, yeah, I don't even know what that was, what that high sound was, but it had a similar feel to those sections that I know of deathcore. And then going into a really nice guitar solo. Yeah, I mean, this song, it felt a bit calmer in a way, I would say, than some of the others. Yeah, especially like things like WTF. I mean, not that energetic, fast-paced type of song, but it had a lot of cool, like, atmospheric elements to it, I would say. The piano mixed in parts, then the kind of watery sounding, or like, I cannot tell you what effects are on those vocals, probably a lot. But yeah, it sounds very modern, but I kind of liked it in the context of the rest of the song. Okay, that was barely a response. Not from me, but that's the name of the song. Anyway, thank you for watching. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments and see you next time. Bye.